Hello. Welcome back to another Loc Diaries video in my series. So, today's video, clearly, we are washing my hair. I am shampooing my hair. And first things first, you have to get your hair wet. Yes, please drench your hair with water. That is pretty much the first step to any and all hairstyles. Now, next, I'm going to end with my own cleansing shampoo. When I say my own, I feel like we go through this every time, y'all, but my own. This is from my own Naturally Graced line. These are my own products that I am, well, at least this one is my own products that I am using. It is a cleansing shampoo. Now, one thing I love about cleansing shampoos is actually this is standard. So you really should be doing this regardless, because you want to be able to pick up the majority of like the lint, I'm sorry, not lint, but like dandruff, any type of dirt, especially if you are like a physically active person. You may have dirt, oil, what else, like grease, product buildup, whatever it may be. Think of like your cleansing shampoo as a degreaser. Like, it's going to really go in and it's going to cut up and bring up all of that. I don't want to say gunk, but I mean, hey y'all, it is what it is. It's going to really help to get all that clean. Now, it's not going to dry. If you come across, I have came across some, and you may too. If you come across one that is drying, I would definitely switch it out for a different one. That's why I really love mine, because one, it's not that I'm kind of biased, but that's why I really love mine, because it is not drying. Yes, it does get your hair squeaky clean, but it's not like a drying thing. And y'all, this water was tearing me up. Now, next thing I go in with a moisturizing, because once you get everything stripped out, you definitely want to start the moisturization process. And I am using Joico's. They have a clean line. I believe it's like their hydro. I would definitely have to link it because I don't have the bottle sitting in front of me. Now, this is very important, because a lot of times when people are shampooing their hair, they go straight for the ends, which there's nothing wrong with that, but you definitely want to make sure you step out your scalp first, especially if you have locks, because a lot of the times, not just with locks, but let's just talk about locks, you will find a lot of your issues starts at the root, like literally. And I ain't talking about your everyday life issues. You do have a root to those issues, but that's a whole nother video. But I'm talking about just like if you have like scalp conditions, build up, definitely like product buildup, other stuff will really start at your scalp. So you definitely want to start at the scalp first, and then you begin to work your way down your hair shaft, locks, whatever you want to call them. You're just going to work your way down from there. And I apologize in advance if you all hear my kids in the background. It's bedtime, and the youngest one just whispered, "Elijah, go lay down," because he ain't supposed to be up right now. Yeah, and then the oldest one just came out to my son, "Mom, that my bedtime snack. Like, go to bed. You have plenty of opportunities." But anywho, so let me just say this. So you can see I still have some product left in my hair. That shampoo, I had a little, I don't say I had a hard time getting it out, but it was a little struggle. But I know a lot of that had to do with my water pressure. I should have changed the pressure of it, but I see, like, you can really still see like in the front. Should have changed the pressure of it, but I didn't. But it still did its job. My scalp and my hair was clean, as well as my hair was moisturized. Now I am going in with the conditioner to the same product line. One thing about me, I definitely would try the shampoo and a conditioner pair just to see how my hair likes it. All right, I do my shampoo. I'm sorry, I do my conditioner the same way I do my shampoo. I definitely have to start at the scalp first, and then I work my way down, because for me, I know a lot of my drier issues tend to really start at the scalp. And then I don't know if it's just because I have like more, I don't want to say loose hair, but if you have like that new growth part, right? So I don't know if it's just because it's not loose, but it's not like locked in there. I don't know if that's making sense, but if you have locks, you understand what it is I'm trying to say prayerfully. Now, again, You can see I did not complete that thought, but I need to talk about this thought. But you can clearly see I had struggled getting this conditioner out as well. Like I had to go back and do this like a little longer because I was not trying to do everything on the camera. It's gonna be like hours and hours. But my hair is clean. We are ready to go. So I am not retwisting my hair. So this is just a leave-in conditioner that I am currently working on. It is super duper lightweight. I kind of hit my scalp with that, but I do more so like my ends, and I only do my ends first because I am going on now. This is my own hair oil that you can get off of my website as well. Okay, I gotta go because my time is literally like winding down. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe. Okay, let me see if I can link this up. Okay, bye. Peace, peace, peace.